Hey everyone, welcome back to Team Coyle's Real Estate Hub, your go-to spot for all things real estate. And today we're going to talk about a question I sometimes hear from homeowners. Why isn't my house selling when everyone's telling me it's a seller's market? Now, we've all seen the headlines, and I live this on a daily basis, but you're seeing these headlines out there. It's still a good time to be a home seller. Home prices are continuing to rise, and some listings are getting multiple offers. All true. But for whatever reason, your listing is just sitting there. No offers, fewer shows, maybe even total silence. So what gives? That's what we're going to break down today. We're going to discuss the 3 most common reasons homes don't sell in today's market. Reason number 1, price. The price isn't right. This is a big one. This is what they call the elephant in the room. I hate that saying, but I had to use it. Look, buyers are savvy and they're looking for a deal, especially in today's market where interest rates are very high. They've seen the comps just like you. They have the data. They understand that the cost of financing is higher today than it was years ago. And they're just not willing to overpay. So if your home is priced too high, even by a little bit, it may not even show up in the searches, the online searches. This means you're losing potential buyers even before they've had a chance to see your home. So what's the solution? First thing is talk to your agent and analyze, if you haven't done already, but reanalyze recent sales in your area. And look at what's currently active on the market, and based on that analysis, adjust your price accordingly. Remember, a competitively priced home creates a sense of urgency. Buyers, they smell deal, and they don't want to miss out on a deal because they think other buyers are going to be interested too, and rightfully so. But an overpriced home is going to create the opposite. It creates silence. No one shows, no one makes an offer, and you don't want that. The second reason is poor presentation. Buyers shop with their eyes first, and online photos are your first showing of your house to most people. They go search online, they see your house, and the photos don't look good. Guess what? They're probably going to pass it over. Always remember, first impressions matter. So if your photos are dark, cluttered, don't show your home's best features, you might want to invest in a photographer, a professional photographer, to address the problem. Same goes for personal showings, in-house showings. If your home feels cluttered or smells like last night's takeout, it's probably not going to sell very well, at least to new buyers. It's amazing to me when I've been to some open houses and you'll see things like the front steps broken. And that's the first thing the buyers see. It sends a loud signal to buyers that this person doesn't take care of their house. So the solution is invest in a professional photographer. Get your house professionally staged if it needs it. A little effort, a little money can go a long way. And remember, first impressions matter, so make it count. The last reason, probably not the last, but the third reason I'm going to talk about today is a weak marketing strategy. Just slapping your home on MLS isn't enough today. You need a marketing plan. Again, common theme here is talk to your agent. What are they doing? And you want an agent that's going to do digital ads, social media, video walkthroughs, open houses, and direct outreach to agents, even door knocking to your neighbors. The goal is to create a much interest in your house so buyers will come see it. The more buyers, the more likelihood you're going to get an offer. So the solution is to talk to your agent again. Go, see what they're doing beyond the basics. A strong marketing strategy is going to go a long way. So if your home isn't selling, don't panic. Take a step back and evaluate the situation. See if there's something that you can do to spark some new interest in your house. Sometimes a simple price adjustment is all you need. Other times it might be fixing a few problem areas. I mentioned the front door steps. That would be a no-brainer. A crack in the ceiling, a leaky faucet, something that people mention in their feedback that did come see your house. The goal is to make your home stand out again. Remember, at one point you were excited about your home. You made an offer to buy your home. Now we need to help buyers feel the same way. At Team Coyle, we help sellers get their homes sold. So if you find videos like this helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And drop your questions in the comment section. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye-bye.